Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I am doing my natural hair and I'm going to be adding some wand curls. So I'm going to show you how I get these wand curls, and to me these are the perfect wand curls each and every time. I used to do wand curls on myself a while back and it never came out like this, but this was always the style that I was trying to achieve, but it never came out right. So doing it this way will always have your wand curls come out perfectly if you're looking for like the fluffy natural type of look that this style gives. So the key to this look is definitely starting off on textured hair. If you do wand curls on straight hair, it's not going to look the same. So that's definitely a major key. Even if you are doing it like on extensions or weave, you're going to want some textured hair. So blow dry your hair and do them, or use textured hair, but straight like silky hair will not give the same effect. Now it doesn't matter which size you have, but this is a 1/2 inch wand. But doesn't matter what size, you can use whatever size. Just make sure that you're doing it the same method and that of course your hair is textured. So I'm wrapping my hair around the wand like you see, but I do twist it as well. So I'm not just wrapping it straight around like a curl, but you wrap and twist the hair, wrap, twist the hair, wrap. So kind of like, I don't want to confuse anyone, but kind of like if you were to wrap a flexi rod. If you think about that, you kind of roll it up and twist it around too, but you're doing the same thing. If what I just said was confusing, just try to watch what I'm doing. But I wrap the hair around and twist it, and then wrap it around, twist it. But that gives you the actual cute like wand curl instead of just making it a barrel curl. So after I do my curl, I like to fluff mine out and just pull the hair down, kind of stretch it, and that's what gives it that fluffy look. So really easy and simple. It took me forever, like years, to get this style down packed. I watched a couple of videos of people really showing how to do it, and then now I know how to do it finally. So the major thing though is definitely having a textured base and not having your hair flat ironed. And yeah, that's really it. I hope that helps anybody who has been trying to do this hairstyle. I am a little bit under the weather right now, which sucks because it is summertime. I hate summer colds, but I got sick from my son. We went to like a little trampoline park, and I think that's where he got sick, and then of course that's where I got sick too. So anyways, hope you guys like this video. Please be sure to like it if you do, of course. Leave some tips down below as well if you have any tips on doing wand curls, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.